Hi everyone, welcome back to another Mixology Monday. I'm Bree.
And I'm Lee. I'm going to show y'all how to make the Hibiscus Rum Punch today.
Alrighty, that's how you make the Hibiscus Rum Punch. I really love the color on this. It makes me think of summer, and it tastes just like summer too.
Yes.
Can you tell us about the Hibiscus Liqueur that's in it?
Yeah, super easy to make. I just made a hibiscus syrup and then added a bunch of our silver rum to it. So fairly low proof, so it's really easy to add in various different drinks. You just want to add a little hibiscus punch in there.
It tastes very floral.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Yeah, it's got a really dark fruity flavor that's kind of followed by a black tea flavor. If you just try the straight hibiscus liqueur, that's what it tastes like. And it adds a really nice depth of flavor to the drink.
Great summertime drink to sit there and relax and enjoy a nice cocktail.
Yeah.
So if you want to learn how to make these, you can click the link in our bio below and get the link to our cocktail classes. We do them all the time here at the distillery. They're a lot of fun. You can make great cocktails like this with Lee. So until next time, cheers.
Cheers.